Hi everyone, I'm Miss Freeman. Welcome to Online Singing Assembly. Today we're going to learn a very special song. It's called Jambo Bwana and it's a Kenyan pop song. But first we need to warm up our voices. So again, we're just going to use la's this week and we're going to get higher and lower in pitch and then go up a few notes and so on. Get ready. So you're going to repeat after me. Let's start with this one. La. Ready? La 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 la. You'll try. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Well done. Now that we're warmed up, let's have a look at the words for our song. Here are the words. They're in Swahili today. We're going to have a go at saying them first. Let's repeat after me. Jambo. Jambo Bwana. Habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni. Mwakari bishwa. Kenya yetu. Hakuna matata. Good, let's do that again. Ready? Jambo. Jambo Bwana. Habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni. Mwakari bishwa. Kenya yetu. Hakuna matata. Very good. So next we're going to have a go at singing the tune. Again, you're repeating after me. Get ready. Jambo, Jambo, Jambo Bwana, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, habari gani, mzuri sana, mzuri sana, wageni, wageni, wakaribishwa, wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu, Kenya yetu, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Well done. Next we're going to try it with our music. Get ready. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni, mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Very good, and you can sing it repeating over and over again. We're going to try that later, but first, let's have a look at some different languages. So if we look at what the words mean in English, you should be able to see the words there now. We've got hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome. In our country, we have no worries. Let's try and sing that with the music. Hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome. In our country, we have no worries. Well done. And also, we can try and sing it in different languages. So maybe you speak a different language at home. and you can work out how to sing it in that language. Okay, so let's try and sing it the whole way through with our music. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing the Swahili lyrics 3 times, and then I'm going to sing the English translation of those lyrics twice, so that means 5. And then it's going to play a couple more times through just the music. I'm not going to sing anything there. And that's where if you've managed to work out what the words might be in any other language, then you can try and sing it along there. Let's have a go. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. English. Hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome in our country. We have no worries. Hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome in our country. We have no worries. And if you're in year 1 and you did the art project last week, which was to have a go at making your own African djembe drum, why not grab it and try and play along? And you can use your improvisation skills, making up any rhythms you want that you think fit with the beat. Now I've not made one, I had a small one at home, so I'm just going to play along on that today. But you could grab any drum to play along with our song today, or a homemade drum, or even just a plastic box out of your recycling tub. Let's have a go. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. Jambo, Jambo Bwana, habari gani, mazuri sana, wageni mwakaribishwa, Kenya yetu hakuna matata. English. Hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome in our country. We have no worries. Hello, hello to you, sir. So how are you? I'm very good. Visitors, you are welcome in our country, we have no worries. Well done. I hope that you've enjoyed playing and singing Jambo Bwana today. And hopefully I'll see you for another singing assembly soon. Bye for now.